Hi everybody, it's Venus Valentine and I look a little different today and that is because today we are doing the first installment of True Corset Halloween series of the True Corset Halloween name pending. So if you can't already tell, today I'm going to be transforming into the Disney Princess Belle from Beauty and the Beast, and I've already done my makeup and put on this amazing wig. Actually, it's really nice. It's from Amazon. It was like $20, but it turned out really good. And I'm going to be showing you how to use a true corset as the base, and then what I kind of add onto the outside to make this very authentic Belle look. So I angled the camera back a little bit so you can see, but it's kind of hard to see all of it. This is the brocade fashion corset in yellow in a size 22. So when it comes to fashion corsets, as you can see, they're not going to cinch in as much as a regular steel-boned corset because they're more so for casual, everyday cosplay sort of wear. And honestly, I really like that because I don't feel so constricted. The minute I saw this corset on the website, I was like, I need that. That would be perfect for Belle. And what I didn't even know until it came in is it comes with panties. Ooh, there you go. They're just matching panties. It's a thong and it's amazing. And I just think that really completes the look. So if you want to do a little like sexy Belle in the bedroom, you can do that. But I am not here for sexy bedroom Belle. I am here for full-on cosplay Belle. So I'm gonna add a skirt now. Oh my gosh. I feel like a princess. So I got this skirt from Amazon too. It's just a gold tulle skirt, and you can really use any sort of gold or yellow skirt, skater skirt, maxi skirt. I just thought this gave more of a princess look, and honestly, like, I like this. I like feeling like a princess. And then I'm just gonna add an accessory real quick. So now I've got the yellow gloves on, and I am officially Belle from Beauty and the Beast. And that was just so insanely easy, honestly. I feel like specifically for princess looks or like any Disney character look, they always have, oh my cat just attacked me. Please stop. Please don't take my ribbon. I feel like for the Disney look or for princess look specifically, corsets are an amazing base because a lot of princesses were already wearing corsets just because of the time that they lived in. I'm specifically talking about like Disney movie princesses. And so it's like the base of the outfit anyways, but also it gives you that Disney shape. Now that was kind of a shorter video, but this is really easy. All you're gonna need is this brocade fashion corset in yellow from True Corset, any sort of gold tulle skirt, some gloves, a wig. If you have brown hair, you don't need a wig. I got a little bun. It would be also cute to put a little yellow ribbon in there, so you know, ideas. But I really hope you enjoyed today's video. This is Belle from Beauty and the Beast. Have a great day.